guys, this is Ozawa. Welcome back to my channel. Today, this video is gonna be about going to one of the game centers that we have in Japan. And the station that we are right now is called Shinbashi Station, which is famous for that little train. And the train there, it's a very busy area. Lots of things to do. But anyways, I wanna show you guys this special game called Gachapon, and Gachapon is like very unique, not game, but like a small prize that we can buy in like 100 yen or 200 yen, and maximum it goes up to like 5,000 yen. It's about this big, this round, and then you just buy it, and then you don't know what's inside. So it's always like a surprise gift that you can buy for yourself or for your friend, and it's all genre. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the Gachapon area, and then as you can see, this is like this is 200 yen, this is 400 yen. It depends. The price depends on what's inside here. The more rich or the more better, it's expensive. And then you just put the coin here, and then you turn this around, and then the ball will come out from here. And you can see from here what's inside the gachapon already. So for this section, it's like animal base. But then when you go to the other section, it's like you can have all the obento selection you have, the animals from the zoo, and the rice and umeboshi. And so every gachapon has different price inside. And it's very fun because you never know what's inside until you open the circle box. And I would want to try one right now. This is alcohol section. So what I found is the sake version and sake part 2. And all of you guys know that I am a heavy drinker. So I'm gonna try the gachapon and see what kind of alcohol I can pick. So I'm gonna get my coins. So this one is 400 yen for one roll. So this is how it looks, and open it like that. You take the plastic and see what's inside. Oh, kawaii! So this is what I got from the collection bottle. Kawaii! This is this. So I guess this is. So that's how we play the gachapon. So every section you go, there's like different collection that you can get. And what I wanted was I wanted those table and then one of this alcohol on top of the table, which is I thought it was cute, but I have to do more to get those. So this is more of like food, bread. And what should I do next? I don't think this is one of the prize, but this is really cute. Ekimae rotari. Yaba. I think this is really cute. Corned beef. This is corned beef in Japanese. And this is like tuna. Light tuna, corned meat. Actually, it's really cute. Well, since I like coffee, I guess I'll try the Kometa Kohite. Kometa Kohite is one of the very old and famous coffee shops that you can get near the station. I know one there's in Shinjuku, and I always go there. And their coffee is the best because the bean is very thick and heavy, and I love heavy coffee. So let's try this. I have to go exchange the money. So let's get that. Oh, ありがとうございます. Okay, so I'm gonna put my sake away. Yes. Oh, the Komeda Coffee has a sticker. Let's see what's inside. Oh, bingo! I got a coffee set. Spoon, milk, coffee, and a coffee plate. That's cute. That's this one. I think this is the best among all the coffee selection because I don't like pancake. Wow, 嬉しい. I think I'm gonna put this in my kitchen. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna have all the collection and I'll do it in the kitchen and it's gonna be so great. This is fun. The last time I did this gachapon is like when I was very little, and when you're kids, it was like about 100 yen, and it was all about like animation character, Evangelion, Dragon Ball, and those kind of stuff. But now it's like so much better. Yosh, let's do one last. So the last gachapon what I'm gonna try is どっちがいいかな? This one because it's called ekiben, and then ekiben means the bento box that you can buy at train station. One of the biggest train station like Tokyo, before you ride on the Shinkansen, and like Osaka station, and those big stations they have ekiben, and I am gonna try this because I love ekiben. Let's see what I got. Takaben?
群馬、
Gunma.
高崎。
Takasaki no takaben? Yay!
だるま弁当。
So, Daruma Bento. This is cute. So this place called Takasaki area, they're very famous for this daruma, and then this is the bowl already of the rice. So you put it here, and then on the top it has like a face. It's like So anyway, so this bento is very famous in Takasaki area. It even has a small chopsticks, and this is like I think it's the wipey. Oh, it has a description page, or very small. I cannot even read it, but it says how it got famous and why it's famous. The daruma. So that's kind of neat. So at least what we know is like when we buy these gacha gacha, it's not only for toys, but we could learn history, I guess, and see why it's famous. And I am gonna go home and go put it on my table and show it to you guys on my next video, how I decorated my 3 gachapon. This looks like Dragon Ball. Yay! So I have like 6 more to go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my gachapon movie. And when you come to Japan, you have to come visit this place. Well, this is a kind of like a little bit rich version of the gachapon that I knew, but this is Shinbashi Station. So if you want to try more, maybe you can go to like Akihabara Station and go to one of those buildings that's full of games and figure and you name it. So when you come to Japan, go check it out. Go buy the gachapon that I showed you guys and enjoy your time. Anyways, thank you for watching again. Please like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel so everybody could watch my series. Thank you and bye bye.